Today I'm going to show you how to vectorize this JPEG flat image. So I've got it in Illustrator. I'm going to go up to Object, Image Trace, and then click Make. Because this is quite a simple image, Illustrator does a pretty good job of it straight away, but if you do want to adjust any settings, you can go up into the presets and play around, click on the different things. For this one I'd probably use black and white logo, and for coloured ones I'd use different settings. And also you can go into here and click on tracing results with outlines so you can see exactly where Illustrator has drawn it. So once you're done, press expand and it's made all this into vectors. I'm going to click the ungroup button, so right click ungroup, click on the direct selection tool, and then I can erase the parts that I don't want. It's important that you ungroup it before you do this, because then you can just delete the bits that you don't want without it affecting everything else. So yeah, I'm basically just getting rid of all the white bits because all I want is the drawing itself. And then once I've done that, I can change the colour, I can change the size and the kind of scale of it without affecting the quality, because it is now a vectorized image. So that's it for that tutorial. Super quick and easy. I hope that's helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.